Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be talking about altcoin trading for beginners, and also I'm going to be showing you how to trade cryptocurrency for profit on Binance. Now, what I'm going to be showing you here can apply to any exchange or wherever you're buying your altcoins. So don't just look at it as, oh, this is just for Binance, right? This is just in general. And also what I've done for you is if you look in the description right now, you're going to see a link in the description, and right above it, it'll say free candlestick trading PDF or something along those lines. Go ahead and click that link. Now, what that is a PDF that's going to give you, some knowledge on candlesticks, which are these right here. You see the red and the green rectangles? That's what these are. But it's going to explain to you everything that you need to know about that and how that all relates to trading. Okay, so go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead and click the link in the description. You may have to put in your name or your email or just your email, and then after that, it's going to matter of fact, I like to help people, so let me just go to the page, right? All right, so let me show you exactly how it will look, so you know exactly how that looks. All right, let's go to Google Short. All right, Google Short. Let's just go here. All right, let me go to some of my links. All right, so I'm actually just going to go to the page with you so you can see exactly what it looks like, because I know the last time I put some link down in the description and I was telling you guys how to do it, but I just told you, I didn't actually show you. So let me show you exactly how this works. So it's going to take you to this page right here. Get your free candlestick trading PDF without paying a single penny. You're going to click give me my PDF, and then you're going to enter your name and your email, and then you're going to put give me my PDF, right? And let me just put in test. I'll put test here, and then just put one of my email addresses in and hit give me my PDF, right? And then it's going to, it's loading to go to the next page. So it's going to bring you to this page right here, and you're going to see the same exact thing. Get your free candlestick trading PDF without paying a single penny. And then what you're going to do, slide down, and you're going to see this link right here. Once you click this link, it will automatically download for you. So if you're on mobile, just look for this link, do the same thing, and it'll automatically do it. All right? So let me show you so you know it's real. All right, I clicked it. And boom, as you can see, it brings the page up, and I want to hit X. All right, the candlestick course. And then all you have to do is just hit download right there. All right, so that's that. Hopefully you went ahead and downloaded that so you can be knowledgeable about what's going on. All right, so let me kind of explain it, in the short term, because that PDF is kind of lengthy, but at the same time, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, it's very important to do so. All right, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so this right here is what we would call a unit, right, or the body, right? Now, what you need to know about this green one and this red one, they're kind of different. So the green one right here is where it would open at. This is the open, and then this would be the close. So follow the white line that's in the middle that's going horizontal. This right here would be the open. This right here will be the close. And then on some of the, and then right here, you see where there's a line right here, a line that's sticking out from the triangle. That would, did I say a triangle? The rectangle, sorry. This would be the low for the day, because this is all based on a day. You see, I have this right here. This will be the low for the day. All right, let me move this. This will be the low. That will be the high. Now, let's take a look at the red one, right, and show you the exact same thing. Now, the only difference, remember I said this would be the open and this would be the close. Now, it's the exact opposite for the red. This will be the open at the top, and then this will be the close at the bottom. But the same thing still applies for the high and low. So this will be the low. Actually, this will be the high, and then this will be the low. Pretty simple, right? All right, so that's pretty much it for the knowledge as far as what you need to know when looking at these candlesticks. Now, basically, let's just go over a strategy. Right now, when I show you this, I'm showing you this as something that I actually use and not just giving you advice. All right. So basically, already you can kind of see different patterns on what's going on. But let's kind of trail back and let me just show you something and on how easy this can be. All right. So when I first got started with this, I thought, well, trading must be kind of difficult because not a lot of people are trading, right? But when I saw, this strategy and I started realizing this could possibly work, that's when I was like, okay, this is not that hard at all, to be honest. All right, so check it out. So if you look right here, you see green, and then you see green, and then you see red. Now, remember what I said. This is the open, this is the close for the green, and then this is the open for the red, and this is the close for the red. Now, look at this pattern. All right, so you see right here is red, right? Now you see the green. So the first green that you see, this is where I would buy in, right? Because I'm going to buy in on the open because you remember the open was here. This was the low point for that new high. So I will buy here, collect the profit, right? And keep riding that train. Now you're going to see this pattern a good amount of times. We're going to show you a couple different coins that are doing, pretty much the same type of pattern. And hopefully that helps you, right? So let's see right here, right? So you see it's red. Then we get to the another green, another high. I'm going to collect this profit and I'm going to keep riding that train all the way up here. Now, keep in mind, if we didn't have all of this, we wouldn't know what to expect. We wouldn't know that it would go high, continue to trail up. Remember, we can't predict the market. But since it's already here, I'm just kind of showing you, how it can work. Right, so we're going to collect all that profit all the way up here, and as you can see, it kind of dips a little bit and kind of on the downtrend. Boom, we get to the low. We get to a low, which is another green, and we ride the profit all the way up here. Now it looks like we took another dip, right? And then what do you see once again, right? The green, the first green you see, you're going to ride that all the way up, right? All right, let me kind of go over here a little bit. All right, so yeah. We're going to take that profit. You can sell here if you want to. Like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just what I would do, right? And then here we got another downtrend. And then what happens right here? Whoop, another uptrend. You can take the profit, and if you want to, and this is actually for today, right? This is actually happening right now. This was the last, update that it had. Maybe it'll take a dip, or it may continue to uptrend. We don't know, right? We can't predict the market. Now let's take a look at another coin. Let's go to Ethereum, right? Let's take a look at how that's looking. All right, so let's kind of trail back a little bit. All right, so Ethereum, it's the same thing. It's the same exact thing. You can go, once you get to the first green, take that profit, right? All the way up there, then it kind of dips. Let me get this thing right. It's kind of, okay, there we go. All right, so now you see, first green comes up, you start taking that profit, right? Remember, we can't predict the market, so we don't know if it's going to keep going up. But it's a chance to take, right? At least a chance that I would take, right? All right, so we get here, we take that profit. I mean, if you want to, you could sell here, right? You don't always have to. Or you could take a little bit of the loss, right? So as you can see, it kind of dipped, and it's continuing to dip. And then, boom, we get to our first green, and we ride the profit all the way up here, right? And then we're kind of sideways. I wouldn't really call it like south. Yeah, it kind of dipped a little bit, right? And then we get another green. And then what happens? Let's keep trailing this way. Whoop, we get another profits that we can take here. And then as you can see, it's starting to downtrend a little bit, right? So if anybody wanted to, or if I was looking at this and really monitoring Ethereum, I would probably, if I started to see a downtrend, I would probably sell. Now, you don't always want to sell so quick, because sometimes things can seem like they've hit a point where they're probably going to stay, or you just don't know, right? None of us can predict the market, right? It's for me, it is a gamble. It's a gamble, right? And like I say, cryptocurrency is definitely risky, right? But this same pattern applies with a whole bunch of different coins. Let's go to another coin. Let's go to XRP. Let's take a look at Ripple. Let's see how that's doing. All right, so let's kind of trail back a little bit and look at how it's going. All right, so let's start here. So we got the green, then you see it kind of downtrends a little bit. Then we get like looks like we got a green here, but it wasn't a very big profit. And then here we're red, we're kind of downtrending. And then we get to our first, a new high, and then we ride the profit all the way up here. We get to where it kind of dips a little bit, and then we get another high. We kind of take the little bit of profit here, and then we kind of downtrend a little bit. And then what do you see continue to happen over and over and over again, right? We get to the green, we ride that profit all the way up there. And then now we're here. This is the red, right? This is we're starting to downtrend a little bit. Then what happens once again, guys? What do you continue to see on all of these coins? The same thing is happening. We get that pullback, right? And swoop, we ride the profit up there. So on and so on, guys. It's the same exact thing with all of these coins that we've seen so far. Let's take a look at some coins I haven't looked into. I think this is actually called Syndicator. All right, so let's see. All right, we're going to start here. So we got the green. Then we take like a little dip. It's kind of dipping. And then we get a new high. And we ride that all the way up. Guys, when I first thought about trading, I thought that it was difficult. Okay? I thought it was difficult because there wasn't a lot of people doing it. You know what I mean? I didn't see too many people doing it. So I'm like, it must be real difficult or something. But then I started to like look into it more. The more I looked into it, I realized it's not that difficult, guys. It's really not that difficult at all. Now, of course, I still have a lot to learn. There may be some things that I don't know about, right? And, that's normal, right? We got to keep learning, keep educating ourselves on how this stuff works, guys, because I really do believe that cryptocurrency will be the next biggest wealth transfer that there is, right? That there has been, right? So, pretty much for the most part, guys, let me just kind of, just a quick recap on how everything works. All right, so let's go over the candlesticks one more time. All right, so this right here is the open for the green. This right here is the close for the green. This right here, the line that sticks out of the rectangles, at the bottom, that would be the low. And then at the top, let's just use this line. This is even better, right? This line right here for the green, that would be the low. And then this would be the all-time high, right? And then on the red one, this would be the open at the top. And then this would be the close down here at the bottom, right? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. And if you got value from this video, if you learned something, maybe you didn't understand it, you need me to further clarify it, just drop a comment down below letting me know. Maybe I need to explain it in further detail. But hopefully it did help you, and hopefully you did get value from this video. And if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also tick the bell to be notified anytime that I release any new videos. Now, with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.